name is Bubba, and I'm gonna make you my favorite cheese sauce made out of potatoes and carrots. So stay tuned. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22, verse 6. Adults, be careful how you're training us, because the lessons that you teach us will last us a lifetime. Now back to our recipe, folks. Here are our ingredients: carrots, potatoes, tahini, salt, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, and turmeric, and a fresh onion. And now I'm gonna chop our vegetables and put them in the pot. And now we're gonna put the pot on the stove to boil. You wanna cook the vegetables until they're very tender, like this. And you have to be able to go through the potatoes, like cooked potatoes, and the onions and the carrots. I just put the turmeric in the potatoes, and now I'm gonna put the garlic powder. Now the onion powder. Now the tahini. This goes in the sink. Now we're gonna close this. And now we're gonna put in the salt. Just a little bit. That's good. Enough. And now we're going to put in some nutritional yeast. And now some lemon juice. I forgot to tell you guys that we needed unsweetened milk. And now we just need to blend it. The cheese will thicken after it sits. Delicious. You can use this cheese for anything. For example, like if you like it with nachos, you can put it in there. You could put it with potatoes, but I like eating it with chips and broccoli. Thank you for watching. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. And subscribe and ring the bell. And remember, no matter where you are in your journey, there's always room for you at our table
right here on Polly Vegan Kitchen.